I've been trying to make a screen record. I'm trying to make a video without building since, and I didn't get to do well on my PC because it's lagging and it doesn't have a mic. It's an old PC, 4 gig RAM and 16 gig memory, 6 gig memory. Sorry, 16 gig memory. So it's very low. It cannot run shit. So let's get to it. It's an Arduino. I'm trying to make an MSLA printer. Let me shift this to the right. This is gonna be an issue. I don't know how this works. Okay. Alright. So we have our OLED display, 128 by 64 OLED display, and we have a stepper motor. Then we have a stepper motor driver. And then we have our Arduino board. Then we have a switch. This switch for up. And we have a switch for enter. And then the black one is for down, and the green it's for and stop. And then this blue light on top here is UV lights. It's not connected to all pins. It's not connected to all of this pin. It's just connected to pin 4. Just line there. So um let's go ahead and press start, and you see dimension 4. So this is dimension 4. Dimension x4 is the name of the MSLA that I'm trying to make, and this BIR is like my logo and shit. And you can see this icon at the left hand before the dimension x4 is shown in, can I say, a 3-dimensional drawing, but it's 4-dimension drawing. I don't know how to put it, but this drawing on the left is letter shown at the middle of the screen. See, dimension 4. See, dimension 4, and then it's nice display. And we have our menu. So press this to move down, move down, move down. Layer size, UV lights, bell lift, total layers, and then go back. You see this small scroll bar here that shows the length of the menu. You see, and then it restarts. I did all this shit with Arduino. So let's go again. So I press start, and then dimension. Yeah. So that's it. And once we hit display, we will see the estimate overall settings. We have layer size and 0.05 millimeter, and then UV time is 4 seconds, and per lift 1 millimeter. Layer total layers. This is supposed to show total layer. I don't know why I show layers. Total layer is 10, and then the estimated time for this is 1.28 seconds. 1 minute 28 seconds. So let's press enter again to visit, and then calibration. Calibration is used to move the stepper motors. You see, as you press it, the stepper motors start moving up and down, and then enter to visit. And print starts the loop, and we have layer size. You can adjust the volume, go low, see 0.1 millimeter, and UV time. Let's say UV time is, let's put it on 5 seconds, and then later it will change the display. Let's say 7 seconds, and then P lift. Let's say P lift is okay. Let's say P lift is about 50, and total layer is 17. Let's say 20. But y'all know layers and 3D printer could range around 2,000 days. This is just for coding sake, for the basics, and I'm adjust in the future. Okay, and then we go back to our display, and then we see now the estimate time is now 4.48 seconds, and then total layer is showing 20 PLF. So everything is adjusted is shown right here. So let's say we hit print, and then it starts home. Starts home until the end switch is reached. Let's press the end switch, and then you see time left 1.1, time left 4 minutes 41 seconds, and billing starts billing. The mode starts running, and then layer 1/10, and then UV light, the UV LED goes on, and the seconds start reading down, down, and the UV light goes up, and then again billing, LED goes on, shades UV, and we on top layer. So this is pretty much how it works, and then I'm trying to add an update that will show so that we can pause the print while we're in a loop and then continue, and yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, I think that would be nice. And there's a mistake right here. Once the UV light goes off, the time goes off also. You see, so, and then, which is bad. So I'm just gonna set it so that the UV and the whole thing is gonna appear once to make it professional. Yeah, it keeps going like this to the timeout, to all the layers being printed, and then that's it. Can't wait for it, and start again.